This video is going to show you how to write a polynomial function with specified zeros, multiplicities, and leading coefficient. Okay, so let's look at number 6 here. It says find a polynomial of degree 4 that has the following zeros: -3, 0, 1, and 5. All zeros have a multiplicity of 1, and the leading coefficient is 2. Okay, so each zero is going to correspond with a factor. So let's go in order. So the 0 of -3 corresponds to x plus 3. The 0 of 0 just corresponds to x, not plus or minus anything. Okay. The 0 of 1 corresponds to x minus 1. And the 0 of 5 corresponds to x minus 5. Now, because each of these zeros have a multiplicity of 1, each of these factors will be used once when writing the polynomial expression. Okay. The leading coefficient is 2. So we're just going to put that in front of the polynomial. I'm going to put these in order in a specific way. I want the x to come first, just because you don't want a singular x just kind of hanging out in the middle of a polynomial in factored form. So we've got our leading coefficient of 2, and then we've got our factors. X, I put it first, and then x plus 3, x minus 1, x minus 5. Now, you can use the distributive property to multiply all these out and get a fourth degree polynomial, but we can just leave this, for now, we'll leave this in factored form. Okay, pause the video here, take a look at number 7, and give that one a try. Okay, in number 7, we've got a third degree polynomial we're going to try to write here that has zeros of 4 and -2. Now, the 4 has a multiplicity of 1, but the -2 has a multiplicity of 2, so that's going to be a little different here. The leading coefficient will be -1. Okay, so again, each zero is going to correspond with a factor. The 0, 4 corresponds to x minus 4. The 0, -2 corresponds to x plus 2, okay? The leading coefficient's -1. We have to take the multiplicities in account. So when I write this polynomial function in factored form, it would be a -1, the leading coefficient, times my x minus 4, notice to the first power because it has a multiplicity of 1, and then x plus 2 to the second power because it has a multiplicity of 2, okay? So that's how you're going to write polynomial functions with given degrees, specified zeros, specified multiplicities, and a specified leading coefficient.